that it's a great mistake to confuse it with nothingness. It is rather to be thought of as space, or like space, because space is not empty. It contains the whole universe. So in the same way, the state of mind of the person who is truly enlightened
I'm just tidying up a few things. One, driving it the other weekend, this little edge here was getting caught on the wheel, so it's not ideal. So yeah, you go down the corner and it would just bite up into it, just chop it in. So I'm just now move the screw back a bit so I can actually take this whole edge and just lop it off. So it gives the wheel more clearance. And yeah, because that's some prep for the weekend, which is the 8, 6 and 70 day. So yeah, I'm going to go gripping and drifting. So I just sort of few maintenance things really. Make sure everything's up to par with it.
It contains everything.
Got the corners all tidied up. Got some trimmed edges and just pushed up edges. So I took to them with the pliers and just pushed the edge up. Just put some paint on them. Get rid of the rusty bits that were on there. Did it both sides. This side I could actually drill a new hole that was further back. So that's now all mint. That shouldn't touch the wheel anymore. And also interesting that there's actually been some rubbing right here on both sides actually. So on hard lock it's obviously rubbing. So I need to either put some spacers in or do something to make the not touch. Got currently 3mm spacers on the rear, so I'm thinking I could put those on the front and get some like 5s for the rear, just to space it out that little bit. And then as well as that, I've got some new rubber hoops, so these hold the exhaust on. As you can see, these are gone all pierced. So I've got some other ones off AliExpress for $5 or whatever it was, cheap as chips. So yeah, I've just put 2 of those on in the middle, and now I'll put all the wheels and stuff back on and check the back up so I can get to the back ones, which then hopefully they will last a bit longer than what these did. These didn't last that long. And yeah, they break and then the exhaust starts to rattle and be really annoying. So get on to doing that. As you can see here from this pile of stuff, I've got a cable ties that I was holding up the exhaust with, and a broken one. So it was about time they actually got replaced. So just checked up the rear. Chuck new ones in. Put new ones up in here. New ones up in there. Everywhere new ones. And it shall be. Doing jobs. Where's the jobs? So yeah, now the exhaust is nice and firm. They were a bit smaller than what I had, so they are a bit tighter. That should be fine. So yeah, that's good to go. Now just check the fluids and that sort of thing, and should be alright for the week. And then come and get my tyres probably midweek sometime. Fill up the back, it'll be good.